guys, Todd again, back with hunting tools on Amazon, or just hunting discount tools or budget tools, whatever we want to call it. So here we go. This is from Amazon, 5-piece. Apparently I'm missing a piece. I have to figure that out. But I got 4 here. I'm not sure where I put the other one. Oh, let's check that real quick. Impact socket adapter set. So it is a 5-piece. Here it is. So there's your 3/8 to a quarter, and these are a nice textured finish. I like the labeling as well. I think these are about $10. 3/8 to quarter, always good to have. Like I said, once again, black finish. Now if you're using this, I have no idea. That's 3/4 to half. That is a monster. I don't have any sockets for that size, but it's, we got it now. Then you got 3/8 to half, or half to 3/8, cool adapter, and then 3/8 to half. And they're so far just a very nice looking set here. I had a couple other ones that broke, just some cheapy chrome ones. So I got this, and so far working out really good. And like I said, I believe these were $10. I'll try to get the info to you. But we'll give it a try, see how they last. But for just simple home projects, home maintenance stuff, I think they'll work out fine. If they break, then I will put another video on here to let you know how it worked and what happened, and just whatever issues I might be able to have or get resolved. So there you go, NEIKO Impact Adapter Reducer Set from Amazon.